How to turn off active listening on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down through the list and tap on the Siri option. Now, tap on Talk to Siri. Here, change the settings to off. This disables the Hey Siri voice activation. Then, turn off the toggle switch for press side button for Siri as shown. A prompt will appear on your screen. You will need to tap on Turn off Siri to confirm. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. You will see the active listening feature for Siri is now fully disabled for greater user privacy and security. Following these steps, you can easily turn off active listening on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.